Merry Christmas and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Simone, and for today's video she is creating the Grinch for us. So let's get started. The first step is to create the dark green eyes for the Grinch. This is done with the dark green color by Superstar. So once this is on there, Simone continues to a split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Green Carpet, and with this she is creating the face of the Grinch. So it is the hair in the forehead. He has that lovely bit of hair sticking out at the top. That is what she just created. And all the little wrinkles around the nose are also easily done with just that one split cake. So a bit of fur. And with just a dry face painting sponge, Simone is blending the colors together to make it more into a whole than all those different stripes. Black face paint by Diamond FX for the nose, and also the little spots around the nose as well. A dark eyebrows, of course. The Grinch has those lovely dark eyebrows, and an outline for the face. So just outline the fur, a few white highlights, and a red lipstick to make this into a bit of a girly design. And with that, our Grinch face paint for today is done. Well, we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.